Compliment of the season, guys. Merry Christmas to you. I hope you're having fun with your friends and families. In today's video, I want to share with you guys a sauce that could go with anything. This sauce should make it to your Christmas menu. For whatever reason that this sauce is not in your Christmas menu, you should think again, because this goes with any meal of your choice. So I started by frying all the veggies like separately so that it doesn't get too moisty when you're adding all the ingredients together, because if you don't stir fry it before adding everything together, there's tendency you might get so watery. Even though I used cornstarch to thicken it a little bit, but you don't want too much water in your veggie sauce, so that's why I decided to stir fry all the veggies separately. So you can choose any veggies of your choice. For me, I'm using mushroom, bell peppers, different colors of bell peppers, of course, onions. I forgot to add carrots, but I later added it, but it wasn't in this video. So I'm using, my protein was chicken and prawns, and I also added broccoli. So what I did was I stir fried all the veggies separately with olive oil. So that was what I used to prep this sauce. I used olive oil to fry it, maybe just like 1 or 2 minutes stir frying. But the chicken, I used breast chicken to make this sauce. I stir fried it for a while, like about 10 to 15 minutes, just to make it boil out a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in my next video. Bye.